Hey guys, this is Brenna for Public Speaking 1509. This is Assignment 2.3. Today I'm making a presentation on mobile development. First, I'm going to tell you what is mobile development and how I explain it to other people. What is a native and non-native application? 3 different types of applications we create for, and devices we don't support in full sail. So, what is mobile development? When people ask me what is mobile development, I tell them that I am learning to create applications for mobile devices on a professional level. So, you ask, what is a native and non-native application? Well, native apps are ones that are created solely for the device it's going to be on, or the operating system it's going to be on. For example, Android applications look completely different from Apple applications. And also, web applications look completely different, but they're non-native than Android or Apple. But if you go on a website on an Android phone, a Windows phone, or an Apple iPhone, a web application is going to look the same no matter which device you look at it. So that's a non-native application. First, at Full Sail, we learned mobile web. Basically, all these different languages that we learned while at Full Sail, HTML, JavaScript, jQuery Mobile, CSS6, jQuery, help us create a website that fits more comfortably onto a 4-inch screen instead of having to have the same website you see on a 15-inch laptop on a 4-inch screen phone. Apple. Everybody knows Apple. The language you use for Apple devices can either be Objective-C or Swift. When you see SceneKit, that's actually Objective-C, but it added the ability to create games. I've learned some pretty amazing things on the Apple devices, including lists and how to use maps. For Android, what we learned is Java for Android, which is different than Java, and XML. You have to use both of these together to make applications work. So some of the devices that we do not use or create for at Full Sail are the Windows devices, also Kindle, and the Knobby. So the Kindle and the Knobby have a backbone of Android, but it is different, as you can see. And Windows just came out with their Windows 8 and their new looking operating system, and they're a very small chunk of the mobile world, about 1 to 3% as I've been told. So I don't believe Full Sail is going to be creating for them, at least as yet. So here are my citations for this presentation, and the examples that I used were visual. All of the visual cues that I used, you would recognize. You would recognize all the logos and all the pictures of all the devices that I used. Alright, and so this is Brenna Pavlinchek for Public Speaking 1509, Assignment 2.3. I talked about what mobile development is, showed you the different applications we create for, the ones we don't, and I also explained what a native and a non-native application was.